Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my class Patshala new update video. Today we have a nice equation root x plus root third x equal to 36. Here we can write x to the power half plus x power 1/3 36. Okay, let x equal to a to the power 6. So x to the power a to the power 6 half a to the power 6 1/3 equal to 36. Okay, or a cube plus here we can cancel to square a square equal to 36. So we transfer 36 by left side. We can write a cube plus a square minus 36. We discuss the 36 as by remainder theorem. Remainder theorem a equal to 1, then 1 cube plus 1 square minus 36 not equal to 0. So it not acceptable. X equal to minus 1 then minus 1 or cube minus 1 whole square minus 36 not equal to 0. So we write a equal to 2, then a 2 cube plus 2 square minus 36 not equal to 0. Minus 2, then minus 2 whole cube plus minus 2 whole square minus 36 not equal to 0. So a equal to 3, then 3 cube plus 3 square minus 36 equal to 0. So a minus 3 is a factor of a cube plus a square minus 36 equal to 0. Now a cube we can write a cube minus 3a square plus 4a square minus 12a plus 12a minus 36 equal to 0. Okay, 12a cancel, and here 3a square plus 4a yet a square. So common a square. So a minus 3 plus 4a common. So a minus 3 plus common 12. So a minus 3 equal to 0. So here a minus 3 is common. A minus 3 and a square plus 4a plus 12 equal to 0. So a minus 3 is equal to 0 by a equal to 3. A equal to 3. We wrote x equal to a to the power 3. So we can write such a by a to the power 6 equal to 3 to the power 6 and a to the power 6 equal to x. So here 3 to the power 6 equal to 7 to 9. 7 to 9. So it is on the other hand a square plus or 4a equal to 0. Here b square minus 4ac less than 0. So rejected this. Here the solution is here and check to square root 7 to 9 and third root 7 to 9 equal to 36. Here is 27 plus 9 equal to 36. 36 equal to 36. So x equal to 7 to 9. It is the solution of the equation. Okay, thank you.